To use VPN on your iPad, the first step is to go to the App Store and download a VPN app. There's a wide variety of apps available, including free and paid options. Free options are usually pretty limited. They'll have data caps or slower speeds, fewer locations available, and there's privacy trade-offs as well. Some free VPNs will log your activity or show ads. If you need VPN regularly, I highly recommend getting a paid version. Once you download an app, you'll sign in and connect. I'm using TunnelBear, and this is usually what most VPN apps will look like. There's a list of locations you can connect to, either by country or sometimes to a specific city or area as well. This allows you to virtually set yourself anywhere in the world, which can be good for privacy, but also can help with accessing geo-restricted content. Keep in mind, many sites and apps can detect if you're using a VPN, and some that are strict about their restrictions will block you if they detect a VPN in use. I'll connect to Austria, and if I go to check my IP address, it shows my location to be in Vienna. VPN runs system-wide, so the connection covers everything you do on your iPad, not just internet browsing through Safari. Every app, background traffic, etc. goes through your VPN connection. When you're using a VPN for the first time, it'll ask you to allow configuring a VPN profile, and after that, your iPad will show a little VPN icon on the top of your screen when it's active. Technically, there's a way to add a VPN configuration through the settings without using an app, but that's usually ideal for a work VPN, self-hosted VPN, and privacy-focused setups. For the average user, using an app is the best choice. If you come across a VPN that claims to run through your browser, those are not real VPNs. They're basically secure proxy connection and only work with the browser and not system-wide like a real VPN. Hope that helps. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and check out my iPad playlist for more guides like this.